Hey all, I wanted to come to you with a fun little short video here today to get you really excited about something that's coming out. It's always been my personal mission statement to help you become bigger and better with your streaming career and content creation. I feel like I do a pretty adequate and decent job at it. I feel like I point you in the right direction at certain times, which makes me feel good, and hopefully I do a decent job for you. Some of you may or may not know, but I also do a lot of videos for Streamlabs directly on how to use their assets or extensions or elements or just use the platform in general. So that way you can start your streaming adventures or refine the way that you do them. And I enjoy doing all of those videos. To this date, I probably, oh geez, I don't even know, have 20 to 40 plus videos on their website or their YouTube channel alone. And it's really cool because it gives me another avenue to really help people out there. But I'm going to share something really cool with you today that Streamlabs is bringing out that I've been working on for the past few months. That's, I think, going to be something that's going to be, I don't know, I don't want to say revolutionary, but really help you out on a free asset tool. And it's called Streamlabs University, where it basically takes a huge collection of people's input, education, and experience and shares it with you, which is really cool. And I got to be a huge part of it in helping how it gets done and how it gets implemented, and also shared with people like you out there. And it's not just me regurgitating awesome advice. It's information, experience, and education from people that are in the industry, people that are esports professionals, people that are professional streamers, people that are in a particular niche that want to share all the advice they can with people like you out there to make you bigger and better. And it's really cool. This is thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of free advice that you get to use from Streamlabs direct. It's really awesome. I really recommend checking it out, and you should, because guess what? It's all free. That's right. It's free information that you can use right now on streamlabs.com. Just go to the university section. And the best part is it's just getting started. Depending on how much you really like and depending on what, lesson plans that you really resonate with, Streamlabs is going to take that in consideration and see how many more lesson plans we can bring out to make sure you're on the correct path for growth. Now, I've been super busy with it over the past few months, so I really recommend checking it out. And if you like it, do me a favor, let Streamlabs know or let me know. And if you want to see more from both of us, don't be afraid to leave comments or feedback or tweet out what you'd like to see, because guess what? We take all that feedback into consideration and see how we can help you become bigger and better. I love literally helping you guys out, and it makes me feel so good knowing that you're crushing it, and keep on crushing it. And me and Streamlabs are going to do our best to make sure that you're set on the right path. Well, that does it for me. I just wanted to say, check it out. I hope you really enjoy it. Take advantage of this tool and this asset today. And guess what? There's a free ebook you can download in the top right corner, so you can also have that because it's got more tidbits of information. So everyone, take care, stay safe, and of course, peace.